Good morning, guys. Bro, it's cold, it's windy. My bad, eh? How we doing? Ooh. Hello, Patricio amigo. Yeah, first one here, my G. And that's on both platforms. What's up, brother Holrick? Oh, yeah. Sorry I didn't stream yesterday, it was storming. It was storming outside, so I decided to stay inside. What happened to my phone? I'm trying to go live on more than one platform today, guys. I have no idea what's going on with my phone right now. I'm just wondering, how the hell do I do TikTok? Because I've never done it off a phone on a tripod before. Hey Adam, what's up, brother Holrick? What's up, Maniacs? Beards Guard, and also Rinslers as well. Good morning, good morning, good morning. New day, yeah, it's there was a bit of flooding here, so not here, but in the town, so I didn't really want to risk streaming, pretty much. Did not want to risk it, I did. So I pretty much just chilled out while it was raining cats and dogs yesterday. Some pretty crazy weather yesterday, whānau, I'll tell you that much. No idea what's going on with my phone. Mustn't want me to stream TikTok today. Hope you're all good. Yeah, we're all good, brother. We're all good. It was just yeah, out of nowhere yesterday. But we're yeah, we're chilling now, so we're good. We are good, my bro. Thunder and the rain was wild. Yeah. Yo, Ducky, thank you very much for the brand new tier 1. Getting us started for the day on our daily sub goal. Morena, thank you, Ducky. Morena, everyone. Yeah, I got my coffee. I'm just wondering how I'm gonna do this today, that's all. I ended up going to get a tripod. Is there a way for us to buy one of your wood carvings? At the moment I have none for sale. I normally just do commissions, brother. But even my commission list is full. That's how hardcore it's been lately. But yes, we are doing this. Going back to this again today, chat. We're going back to the hoi. A hoi, H-O-E, is a paddle. Not normally used for like it's not gonna be used for like, you know, paddling purposes. It's more for a birthday. It's a decorative piece, pretty much, and that is what we're going to be doing today. Okay, let's go. I don't want to muck around. Alright. This is going to be hard trying to maneuver around 2 damn tripods, I'll tell you that much. Don't know how I'm going to do it. Unless I just put this one up by you guys. Maybe that might be a better idea. Yo, thank you very much to Foxy Babushka for the Optimus Prime. Thank you, man. Hey, Foxy from Asmund. Wait, is he live now? How is he? if you can clip this and send it to him, Foxy. 3, 2, 1. I just want to say a very big thank you to him, because when you guys came through before the wedding with all the subs, and not only that, the followers as well, definitely did help immensely for the wedding as well. Oh, the old one. Oh, okay. Just wanted to make sure. Yeah, I don't want to maneuver around 2 tripods, so I'm going to try and figure this out. Not used to having so much stuff. So much stuff around here. I like your jacket. Yeah, it's my grandfather's. I've had it since 1995. Yeah, I've had it for a wee while. And yeah, he's not around anymore. But yeah, that's how long I've had it for. It's only starting to show wear and tear now. Hey, it's my first streamer. Hey, what's up, brother? How are you, Justin, on YouTube? That's longer than I've yeah. So, when my grandfather passed away, one of my other grandfathers was given this jacket from him. And he said, oh, well, it's yours now. And yeah, I've had it ever since. I couldn't fit it back in 1995, but essentially that's how long I've had it for. Wait, sorry, chat. Like that long. That is how long I've had it for, peeps. I don't think dual streaming with a phone or quad streaming with a phone is it either, chat. Hey bro, I'm watching from Germany and I seen your video. The world needs more people like you. Hey, much love there, Chill Chain Entertain. Did I say that right? I hope I did. It's a beautiful jacket. Yeah, I've got a big rip on it now. Like it got caught in the drawer and it just pretty much ripped so easily. I was gutted as. But not gonna lie, it still keeps me way more warm than any of these new jackets out these days. Like North Face and all that. I feel like North Face jackets are a bit of a scammy. Bit of a scam. Me personally. But yeah. Alright. So this is all we're up to today, Fano. Let's smash this out. So what I want to do today is clean up the little parts on there goes the North Face sponsorship. I heard that the guy that made North Face and the guy that owns Patagonia used to work together. Is that true? And then one tried to fuck over the other, so they both moved on. I could be wrong. My cousin's really into his North Face and his Patagonia brands. I was like, bro, their fleeces are like $300. Screw that. That's like 2 weeks worth of shopping. That's 2 weeks worth of shopping you're wearing, my mate. Sorry about the wind as well, guys. I can't control nature. We will have no more windy problems when we get a shed one day. South Face. So why is woodworking such a big part of Maori culture? It was a form of storytelling as well for our people. So Maori people in days of old, we didn't have a written form of language. We had other methods of recording our history. The main one being, you may know as the haka, the Maori posture war dance. Yo, what's up TikTok? How are you guys? So the Maori posture war dance, or well, performing in general in our culture was a big thing, and being face to face as well was the main way that our people used to do it. Along with Whakairo as well, which is this. For example, one would just take an ancestor, learn about what they did throughout their lives and interpret it into the piece as well. Yo, Gorilla, thank you for the roses, brother. Yo, Lerain Heist. Did I say that right? Thank you for the Optimus Prime on Twitch as well, brother. My people just starve and love potatoes. Are you Irish? I recently learned that Irish people love their potatoes. Is that true? Hey, what's up, Grimjaw? What's up, producer? To those that are just tuning in, what I'm carving here is a hoe, H-O-E, or pedal. This is for a birthday. It's more of a decorative piece for a birthday. I am indeed. I knew it. I only just recently learned that Irish people love their potatoes. I must be half Irish too, because I love my potatoes. I should really research that. Hey brother, could we commission you to carve a piece? Damn, I just missed that comment. For who? Love a smoked potato. I'd love me a baked potato with cheese. Is that it? Mind you, we're in winter, so it is potato weather. Yo, thank you for the roses, Kale. Did I see a Galaxy 2? Thank you very much for that. You know you can just chill and watch it. What are you making? So we're creating a hoe. So I'll show you the one my uncle finished. So my uncle recently passed away. The one who taught me how to do Whakairo. Who doesn't love them though? That's true. I don't think I've met one person that's allergic to potato. So this is the one my uncle finished. So I'm actually finishing off a commission of my uncle's pretty much. So he finished that one. And I'm doing this one here. So I kept the initial shape of his one, but I'll probably do my own particular style. Not style, but the way I carve, I guess. And it'll be cool, to showcase next to my uncle's work. Yeah, I've never really been in a position where taking over a commission from someone who's passed on. So it's it being my uncle's job definitely does hit home a little bit, because the last time I actually spent time with my uncle while he was alive was at my wedding. What's up, Ollie? And Mr. Improve and Fasty, kia ora. Yeah, that was the last place I got to chill with my uncle before he passed away. Hold on, chat. Yeah, so we're gonna clean up this face here. This face is called a ruru. R-U-R-U. Not to be mistaken with the Hunger Games song. Don't get it twisted. But yeah, this is what we've been up to for the last few streams. I had to put it to the side for a little bit there because I had a commission to finish for Gaming for Cancer, the foundation, and we finished it yesterday. Yeah, we finished it yesterday, and then I just gotta send it to Pit Viper AU, and then they'll auction that off, and all the funds will go to the Cancer Foundation too. So it's been it's been a busy one. But it didn't take long. We legit, like not even 2 streams. Could have finished it in 1, but yeah, obviously I got stuff to do on the side. Yeah, we finished it relatively quick. Sorry to hear about your uncle. Hey, thanks, Renslers. Sorry, brother. Greetings from my rip uncle. I used to work with my uncle in his woodwork place. I think I just like this. Oh, still, brother, you know. Still work with your uncle, eh? Also, chat, bit off topic, but when does the Fortnite season end? Because I'm trying to finish my battle pass. What is typically used? Yeah, just power. Yeah, when does the Fortnite season end? In 2 days. Fuck. Okay. Okay, I only just got onto the first Artemis page. I don't mind missing out on the Hades skin. I do like the Artemis skin more, so I might just aim for that. That's their big cloud, right? I was gonna stop playing Fortnite after this season. Then they bought that Fallout teaser out. I was like, you bastards. You got me. Looks like a few long days of grinding. Could be. I don't really like to grind that game too much. Love the crocs, thank you. I have Sonic gibbets. Yo, thank you, Senpai. Kia ora, my bro. Thank you. So we're just cleaning this up, and then we can move on. Thank you very much to Smart Mo as well. Hey, cheers, Vlad. You could make your own crocs. I probably could, that's true. Carving that small would be a headache though, I tell you. Yo, Smart Mo and Celestial, thank you very much. And Sibone, did I say that right? Holy cow, we got 1.1k people in my TikTok chat. Holy, I haven't had numbers like that in years. Yes, I know, I gotta laugh like Dr. Hibbert. Looks like we're gonna need to chop it off. Hey, what's up, Jasper? Holy, who is... oh, I can't see that whole name, brother. Yo, Jordan Beats, thank you very much. Where's everyone from? You can't get raided on TikTok, can you? It's my first time watching your stream. Hey, welcome, Daz. Man, maybe I should go and get the iPad, so we can play music. All you can hear right now is nature. Thank you, Hudson. California. Here we go. I must say my first experience in California was quite nice. I went to Anaheim. Man, I remember when we went past Compton on the highway, and you could just hear the bop bop bop. I was like, oh damn. Nothing wrong with a bit of nature. True. What platforms are you streaming on? YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok. Majority of the things that I want to do on this face are done. It's just a matter of cleaning it up now. Thank you very much for the gifts, guys. You're a legend. Oh, we're all legends here, man. I got an exam today. Can you please... Good luck there, Potatwu. I don't want you watching the stream too much, eh? I want you to prepare for your exam, brother. Do you follow soccer? Not really. AKA football, just so I don't piss everyone off. But yeah, with how long have we been on this for? Not too long, like not even a whole day. I've legit just been taking my time, making sure I get it done the way I want it to, and then we can move on. Thank you very much for the gifts, guys. This stream is the best place to vibe to. I can proofread my book alright. Bro, I need to proofread half the stuff I type out. Fat finger syndrome sometimes, my bro. Thank you very much for the Aroha on TikTok, guys. I know I'm only like carving little things right now, but these are just some of the things I have to do, eh? Keep your monies. Oh, thank you, guys. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Like, if you have seen that old clip from 4 years ago, I have changed. Yo, thank you very much, Connery for the galaxy, and Zane for the roses, and Raspel for the heart. Oh, I'm gonna lose my voice being thankful, which I don't mind. So when was it? Not last year, the year before. I am more open to like subs now, and that was due to my grandmother. She was the only one that could you know, change my way of thinking back then. She was a regular viewer. She would watch quite a lot. Yo, Andy, thank you for the gifted on Twitch, brother. She was a regular viewer, and after a while, when I went to go and see her, because she used to stay with my mum, she was getting old. She kind of sat me down and, you know, wanted to talk about what I was doing. And I remember this conversation like it was yesterday, pretty much. Like, she sat me down. Can you picture a 30-year-old man sitting down? Being told to sit down, pretty much. Yo, Wolfen Gaming, thank you very much for the T1 on Twitch, my bro. Yeah, if you can imagine a 30-year-old man being told to sit down, and you know, without hesitation, I sat down. And she just spoke to me. She goes, "I'm very proud of you. You know, I'm glad you stuck to what we taught you, how we raised you. Because I was raised by my grandmother and my mother. They were the two prominent figures in my life. Just FYI. And that's when she said, you know, you say you didn't have to quite a lot." I was like, yes, you know, I just want others to look out for themselves first. And that's when she said, I want you to be more grateful for this opportunity that, you know, has been given to you in your life. It's good that you've been saying that, but as a father now, you need to, think about the ones, like think about your own family and you as well. And yeah, it was really hard to accept that. It was like, oh, but at the end of the day, I never said no to my nan. I always listened to her, because she knew best, in my opinion. And yeah, that's when she told me, be more open now. Be thankful, be grateful, but be more open to the love and support that people are giving you now. And pretty much from there is when I started being more open to people subbing. Pretty much. Yo, Brox, you on TikTok? Yeah, I'm live right now. Thank you very much for the gifts, guys. Sorry if I'm missing that. So hence the reason why, I'm more open these days. So thank you very much for listening to, guys. Anyway, we'll carry on, eh? Yeah, I'll be honest, only my grandmother could have changed my mind when it came to that. And that was the last conversation I had with my grandmother before she died. It's been about a whole year now without her. And yeah, so just honouring her by being more open-minded, or trying to be. Yeah, she died to COVID pretty much. Thank you very much for the aroha today, guys. We only just started stream too. But without us knowing, she had signed, or she had asked, like, if she went under, not to be resuscitated. And yeah, I remember it too when we found out. Like, we were just going up to visit her, and then it was pretty much like 5 minutes before we got there. I think we had just found us a car park, and she had passed when we just got there. Yo, Judgment, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. What's up, Danger on YouTube? How we doing? TikTok, he's all good too from up there? Yeah, so that's yeah, the last conversation I had with my grandmother, pretty much. I should really make a video explaining it, eh? I think I will. I'll do that today, just in case, because I know a lot of people were getting quite upset that I was being open to subs. I think I'll do a video on that today for the talk. Love from Wales. Hey, a Welshman. Jay, brother. Thank you for the gifts, guys. Remember, you can comment, eh? God bless your grandmother. Yeah, I miss her. I always will. I think one of my only wishes in life ever was for her to see one of her grandchildren get married. And yeah, unfortunately it didn't come to pass, but was definitely thinking of her that day when I married my wife. Truly a gentle giant. I wish I was 6'8" and could lean on trucks that make it look like a car. Yeah, pretty much, Oliver. People became upset that, I changed. But, yeah, it's all good. Each to their own. I don't mind if people get upset. Just move on, build a bridge, get over it. Where in NZ are you from? I'm from a small town called Ruatahuna. So it's pretty much out in the middle of nowhere, brother. And I have been living in Rotorua since 2009, pretty much. Hey, from Liverpool. Kia ora. Thank you very much, Just Blix, for the roses, and Alex for the high definition rose as well. I lost my grandmother early this year. It was sudden. I had spoken with her a few weeks before. 5 do provide a warmth and love that can't be beat. That is definitely true, Joe. Definitely, brother. That sense of warmth and comfort, It's a very unique feeling that only grandmothers can provide, in my opinion. Cheer, brother Joe. Love from Scotland. Hey, brother. It's like a mum that isn't tired of you. That's true. Hey, what's up, Iconic? Cheer, my bro. Bro, I visit the Blue Lake as much as I can. The way to there feels like home. Oh, true, my bro. Hello from Malaysia. Kia ora. You been watching Super Rugby? Bro, I don't even watch TV, Honestly, I think I watch more Twitch streams than TV these days. I want to go and watch, Oh, that one Brian with the 50, bro, you just caned our sub goal. Holy guacamole. Thank you very much to that one Brian. If you did get a gifted sub from the bro, please give him a thank you. Holy cow. Yo, Anthony, thank you for the roses, brother. Bro, if you're gonna accept it, I'm gonna give it. Hey, appreciate that, brother. Nah, thank you, man. I appreciate that a hell of a lot, brother. It's very kind of you to do as well. Thank you, brother. At the moment, my life goal right now is a forever home for my family. At the same time, I'm saving up for a little honeymoon for me and my wife as well. We're just going down to the South Island. Hey, Mr. X. Thank you. And then Holy Grail as well with the 5 bomb. Shiitake mushrooms, you guys. Holy. Thank you, bros. It's very kind of you. Thank you very much to those that are on TikTok and YouTube as well. It's man, it's pretty hard following 3 screens, thank you, guys. What happens occasionally here on stream too is the casual snot rocket. Hold on. Whee. Oh, clear the airways so we can smell in 4K for 4.3 seconds. What else do we need to do? What the weather? You should take us with you so we can see Snow Rock. Oh, Wilson!
Wilson tipped $50. Long time coming and well deserved.
Holy shit, Wilson! Thank you for the $50 dono. Gee, make sure he's got a cup of tea and a biscuit while you're watching, eh? Goodness gracious me. On donate. Oh! TikTok just fell over. Sorry, TikTok. It's the winds, man. I don't have a closed shed. Sorry. Oh no. Chat, I let TikTok drop. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Oh, I feel bad. My bad. Thank you, Cole and Morgan and Thomas. Hey, Tempest, how are you? Yeah, we work so hard to build a little house together. Tick top level. Yeah, I was supposed to go live on my gaming channel last night, but I chose sleep instead. Sorry. No matter what the weather, we're together. Do, 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 do. Sleep is important, yeah, bro. I don't know how people can stay up long hours and do nothing. Sup, Maka? Yeah, we work so hard to build a little house together. I want to play that song, but YouTube is too strict, eh? With music. They'll be like, actually, we're gonna like copyright you, so you can't play it anymore. Ha ha ha. And we're like, oh, shuck you, man. What are you making? So we are carving a ruru. So that's what this is called here. R-U-R-U, how you spell it. So it's a depiction of a night owl. It's one of the many forms that we use too. It's my first time joining the stream. Greetings from India. Kia ora, bro. Namaste. I want to try and learn how to say hello in 10 different languages this week. No, the Philippines. Kamusta. Kia ora, my own. I'm not going to count hello because that's cheating. Privet, Russia. Namaste, India. Need to learn some more. Oh, how do I say that in Irish? I almost said Ireland. Holy. Dear Duit is hello. What about you? Nah, I'm not counting you. How have you done one of these before with a different design? When I was a student, yep. Yeah, ni hao. What's the other one? Annyeonghaseyo? Is that one? Thank you very much, Kirkby. Suchira, oh, okay. You nailed it with the pronoun. Oh, did I? Oi, fuck. Come on, wind. Work with me. Sorry, TikTok. Nature's cucking me today, I'll tell you that much. What are you carving? Ahoy. H-O-E, otherwise known as a pedal. So this is for a birthday. It's more of a decorative piece. So you know how you have your 21st keys and whatnot. This is for a birthday as well. Been so long. How are you? I'm good, man. Recently got married. Oi. I'm gonna share some, what's something heavy I can put on this tripod? Hold on. To stay on brand with my stream, I'm gonna put a block of wood on it. Oh! I just dropped Twitch now. Fuck's sake. Not good, not good. Too much stuff to worry about, man. Yeah, sorry, Twitchy's got bonked as well. My bad, yeah? Holy Kirkby, calm down. Okay, let me put this on the... I've got to use Twitch. I ended up putting a piece of wood on the tripod leg. Thank you very much to... How do I say that? Oh, these are going too fast. I keep missing it. Whoever you were, thank you very much. Sorry. Feel like a bit of a lemon, I do. Chat. Alright, how are we, YouTube? Are you still with me too? I think I dropped YouTube and bloody Twitch. Okay, let's fix the camera, because it looks like I'm carving in the train station with Dumbledore. Too bright, too bright. Sorry. Far more interruptions than Mahi at the moment. Thank you very much, Kirking Fatima. Kia ora. Have you watched One Piece? I haven't watched much of it recently. I've been reading it more. I tend to read it more these days. How good, eh? How good has it been to my readers, to my One Piece readers? Okay. The weather still, yeah, was some flooding over here yesterday. Did you check your Discord, my bro? There's something in there for you. Love your accent, cheers, but so glad to see you on here. Yeah, I need to try and do more lives on TikTok. They're pretty much, you guys are pretty much my second biggest audience when it comes to all my platforms. So I feel like I need to do more. It's just trying to find time to do it at the same time as well. Yo, YouTube, are we still A-OK? Oh shit, my man. What's up, brother? What you making? We're doing a hoi, brother. H-O-E. So just, we're just putting a rudu. I'm just carving a rudu, which is a night owl on it. Just one of the many faces we do. The difference with this one, there's about 3 faces in one. So just trying to show you the versatility at the same time. So if you cover half of it, you'll see the face there, the eye and the nose, the mouth and the head. Show the full face. There's 1, 2, 3 on either side, pretty much. So that's kind of what I was going for. Hey, what's up, brother Phil? How are you, my bro? So that's initially what the look I was going for. Just something, I'll be honest, this is simple. Some people go, well, actually, it's not. But yeah, this is just something light for me. I haven't opened Discord in ages. Oh, just check your DMs, my bro. There's something in there for you. Of everything you do, man. Thank you, brother. Are we ducky? How we doing, TikTok? He's all good. California here. If you're ever in the area, food, drinks, and bonfires on us at the ranch. I hope there's not 18 cowboys there. If there's 18 cowboys there, brother, I'll pass. Sorry, brother. I've always wanted to see someone to that owns a ranch. I would not let that opportunity slide, my bro. I had to say it. Yeah, if there's 18 cowboys there, my bro, I have to pass. Sorry if you spat your drink, guys. Not the song request. No. If you know, you know. Thank you, pink hair, pink hole, pinker hole. Oh my goodness. Salutations there. Theanisha, did I say that right? Okay, let's carve the teeth, eh? My bad. I'm rambling, I'm waffling. What's up, Patricio? How are you, brother? Bro, you're skilled for sure. Yes, I've been, how do we donate on YouTube? I have no idea. I may have not set much up on YouTube. I just wanted to stream on YouTube immediately because you guys deserve to see my work live as well. I do apologize. I will look into it if it helps. I just got an email saying that I qualified for stickers. Is that like emates? I'm not very clued up on YouTube lingo just yet. Thank you, Dane. Sorry, I just got to get on my knee real quick. Ooh. My back is still sore from the other day. Also, chat, when we did that those pit viper carving. The guy, you know how I said there was someone that I wanted to help when it came to the cancer charity streams we've been doing? Unfortunately, his dad passed away yesterday, or the other day when we were doing that carving. So all those sharp pains in my back were definitely worth it for the brother. You know, he's someone I, got a lot of love and respect for. But his dad passed away the other day. Hey, cheer my bro, just check the DM. Yeah. I'll have a look if there's more. But yeah, we finally got our wedding photos, my bro. There's like 1,600. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2. That's 3. My gap's too small. Oh, 6. I didn't count the end one. So I'm just drawing teeth right now. So I just enjoy everyone chatting too. Like, I'll be honest, chat, carving by myself, it's ass. Bro, the Nigel No Mates vibes while you're carving, ain't it, man? A lot of people think, oh, he's a wood carver, he's like getting stuck into his work. But really, I was like, man, I need people to talk shit with, man. I need someone to talk shit with. Did you catch the 1/15 spoilers? No, I haven't yet. What did they just drop this morning? Thank you, Trey Scott. Man, I love One Piece, eh? What happened last time? Oh, just the announcement, eh? Alright. Hey, what's up, James Lopez? How are you, brother? Right, we're gonna have to flip. What is going on there, Daniel? What was that? Meteor shower? What was that? But I must admit though, man, like TikTok has to have some of the most goated notification animations ever. It's Brooks. Hello. Are you Maori? Yes, I am. If I wasn't Maori, I wouldn't be doing traditional Maori wood carving, brother. I'd probably be doing zookeeping. That was my dream job a long time ago. If I didn't discover Whakairo, I'd probably be working in a zoo. Which I wouldn't have mind, you know. I love animals. So that's all we're doing there. So we're just doing a paddle TikTok. So we're just doing this for a birthday. That's all we're up to. Yeah, that was my dream job before Whakairo, either working in a zoo or trying to, or the other thing was art as well, but that was more so trying to do art for Blizzard Entertainment, because y'all know I love WoW, and there I'd love to, you know, if there was ever a thing like do art for them. That was definitely something in my radar that I wanted to do with my life. But all in all, you know, it ended up being Whakairo. Oh, he's slipping away from me, guys. Which I have no regrets about, you know. How do I... What is that? Grammy's animation. How do I tighten this? I've only just bought this bloody thing, so I don't even know what I'm doing half the time. This bloody tripod. Sweet, you play well? Yeah, I've been playing Mop Remix. I know Kata just dropped too, but I'll be honest, I'm having more fun on Mop Remix. Okay, I'm about to double tripod use the Toki. Try and get you up close and personal, eh? There you go. Sorry about the wind there, guys. That's just what I have to deal with on the daily. Greetings from Romania. Kia ora. How's it over in Romania, my bro? Do you do anything with the wood shavings? Bury them pretty much. So in Whakairo, not necessarily this particular piece. We normally carve the dead, eh? So our ancestors, for example, we normally carve those that have passed on. Hence the reason, you know, with those wood shavings as well, we'd rather bury them, you know. He's all good there, TikTok. Just trying to give you somewhat of a better angle too. Hope that's okay for now. Hey Connor, you don't use the no, we bury them. Like I mentioned, with Whakairo, we carve the dead, eh? Not necessarily saying this particular piece is someone who's, you know, not around, but majority of the time we're carving our ancestors, and we would rather, you know, those wood shavings not be used for, you know, for example, like cooking food. Food gives you life. Just give them back to the whenua or the earth, pretty much. Kia ora, Brooks. Kia ora, Sam, how are you? So that's necessarily how I was taught, pretty much. Obviously, people have, you know, different ways of teaching, but that's how I was taught. Even though this is no one in particular, this carving, I still, you know, do it. I just bury them. Because, like, after my uncle, like, after I graduated from, after I left home, actually, around 16, he gave me a solid base to, like, work on. And I moved here to do my final senior year of high school at Rotorua Boys High. And with that being said, I applied for the carving school here. Now there's a particular carving school here in Rotorua called NZ Maki, New Zealand Maori Arts and Crafts Institute. It is the most renowned carving school in our culture, or in the world, I guess. And they stick to their very, you know, traditionally influenced school. Like, and I love it. I loved it every single moment there. Learned a lot. Went there to upskill to learn more, and I did. Then I graduated in 2018. Yo, sorry with the 1 year. Happy G Day, my bro. Wait, didn't you hit 1 year before? And Moo Woo, thank you for the Optimus Prime as well. Thank you very, very much, sorry, and Moo Woo. Quick question, is that walnut? So this is tōtara. What? No. Cody. That's how you tell, you smell it. Is it Cody? Yeah, it smells like Cody. Might be Cody. Cody! Just done watching a comedy by Shane Gills. Oh yeah? Forgive my ignorance, but what's the significance of the carving like this? I think it's beautiful, by the way. So this... so I'm actually copying one of my uncle's ones. So this will serve, some would say these serve as like guardians as well, like when the recipient receives it. And it's a decorative piece too. Like this form here is called a manaia. So this form, I'll get my uncle's one again. So these are for a birthday. Yeah. So this is the one he did. See, like same shape kind of. So this is the one he did a long time ago. Oh, yeah, he finished it ages ago, but he was supposed to finish this commission. But as I mentioned before, unfortunately, he passed away. Now I can't carve this, even though there's some spots I'd like to fix. But because the eyes are in the carving already, the power shell, the power shell eyes, I can't carve on them anymore. In our culture, when the seashell, or the power abalone is what it's called, when it's been applied onto the carving, our people always said once that's done, it can see into our world, it can feel, and obviously cutting into it, it will feel that, hey, and you don't want to do that. Hence the reason why I won't carry on with it. So it's done, you know, don't need to do anything to it. Hey, I appreciate that though, brother Sodi. Che, Kazioji, how you? How you been, my cuz? Is Brock's live today? No, this is a VOD. Share your culture with us, and for being so nice, we need more. Oh, Big Scotty, yeah, like if you have questions in general, that goes for you guys too. Feel free to ask, eh? That's why I'm here. Even if it's not to do with Whakairo. There's no such thing as silly questions either. Captain Mal, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. There's no such thing as silly questions, there's just questions. Also, if you see me jump to the side every time, it's because I've been trying to figure out why my laptop's not taking power. It's going on and off. I'm trying to like use this laptop till it don't work no more. Kia ora, Big Ben. Thank you very much for the roses, Tristan. Sorry if I'm missing your guys' comments too. It's because I'm cracking on this work. So sorry about that, TikTok. It's kind of why I had you high so I can see. What's the item you are carving on used for? This paddle here? Well, yeah, it's just a decorative paddle. It's nothing else. Do you still sing? Yeah, now and again. Hey, Malozo. Yes, we got those. Yeah, I still sing. It's just, you know, it's a bit iffy to want to sing with YouTube, how strict they get. Because aren't they like copyright stuff like real strict on lives? Like the beat I'm playing on the laptop right now is a beat made by my boy Smokey God Beats, producer. Splinters, scared of you? I don't know, I just don't get them. I'll show you. Hey, look, we got some wood chips here. Got some wood chips, you know. Roll them around, you know. Yeah. Sorry if they made people's toes curl up a little bit. Every time I see, hey, as long as you're happy, brother, that's what matters. It's the main thing, my bro. That is the main thing. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh jeez, sorry about that. They're copyright actual, so you're all good for a sing. Oh really? Yeah. Thank you guys. How we doing TikTok? Have you made any different? Not in a long time. Not really you know, high in demand item for me, but yeah, I've made some. I've actually got to make one for my nephew. Now that I think about it. I don't know how long I'll be on today, chat, because I really got to go out and get me an outfit for my mother-in-law's 50th this weekend. So hold down. And I'm the only one that hasn't got his fit ready. I was thinking a hillbilly moonshiner. If all else fails. Does it take long to make? If I keep doing what I'm doing now. But I enjoy it. Thank you for the roses, GBB. Yeah, because I'm doing a lot of talking, it does, but I like talking while I'm working. Yo, Fredgis, thank you for the 4 months as T1, brother. What's the dress code? It's just a Western theme. I was going to give me a proper cowboy hat, but it's a bit hard. I don't know how to judge it because I got a bit of a big lid, bit of a big head. My normal hat size is an 8. But if I was to get a proper cowboy hat, I'd probably keep wearing it. Like, not just get it for a party. Also, because a lot of you have been asking, I'm trying to figure out how to make a PO box. But we'll call it a PO box. I'm still a work in progress. Look at me wrapping my hands around TikTok while I do the angle. TikTok, eh? Trying to get some hugs out of me. Is this a real account? I think it's as real as a bloody doorknob on a door, my bro. You'd look greatest on cowboy boots. Oh, I'd slap them so hard when it comes to the line dancing too. I actually like country music, I always have. It's characteristics of the grandfather, I think. Do you ever make a mistake? We don't make mistakes, we make adjustments, brother. No such thing as a mistake, Just like Bob Ross said, just happy little accidents. Just happy little accidents. Is this the answer? Does it take... Hi, Will. How did you learn Whakairo? From my uncle. He started teaching me at the age of 12. 12 years old, my bro. How does it feel, me being between 3 viewing platforms right now? TikTok on this side, YouTube and Twitch on that side. It's getting quite steamy. Hello, do you read YouTube live chat? I have been, have I been doing a good job though? I feel like I borderline haven't been. Oh, New Zealand is awesome. Oh no, some of them are pricks as well, my bro. You know, we're all not perfect. I'm not. What platform needs the most modding? Probably none of them, which is good. You know how it is when, you know, trolls come into the chat. They think they're safe, but we just start roasting the shit out of them. Yo, thank you very much, Envy and JJ Garcia. I know I've probably missed so much gifts from TikTok right now, and I just want to say sorry as well. But thank you very much too. It's good to see you again, Mr. Artist. Hello, Thor. Damn, I got 2 days to finish my battle pass. It's not good. Have you left New Zealand before? 3 times. So, when did Wrath of the Lich King come out? So I went to a WoW Blizzard ANZ dinner or lunch there. So I went to a dinner in Sydney, or a lunch in Sydney. So therefore, that was off for like 3 days. Then my next trip was to PAX in Melbourne. That was the second international trip I ever did. Then like my first like proper lag was last year. So I went to TwitchCon in Vegas. That was life changing. And then that was like 7 days, like a whole week. Then come home, stayed home for about 5 days, and flew over to Anaheim for BlizzCon. That was that was a bit of a lag, that one. That was a lag, my bro. That was a lag. I know that voice. You may have. Hi, I'm Joy McClure. You might remember me from such films. You enjoy the US? Yeah. At first, I was a bit scared. I was a bit scared being in America. Just being a brown boy with all the drama that happens with the police. That was weighing heavy on the back of my mind. Just being a big brown boy in America, and it turned out like it was all good. I had a cool conversation with a cop as well. Because it was crack up because I went, oh, your dog's got crooks on. And he just started laughing. I was like, I feel like you're not from here. He said, nah, I'm not. Oh, why is my live ending? Yo, TikTok, anyone know what that means? Yo, they just cancelled my live for inactivity? What? How does that work? How does that work, chat? How can you be inactive live? I know. How does that work? I genuinely don't understand it. Let me just go live again and just to tell them what happened. Just so they don't feel like I ditched them. That was random. So let's just on off. You'd think I'm on TikTok now. Oh, brother. That was random. Like, they just fully stopped my live. Allowed to carry on my live, y'all. Yeah, I'll just go live again just to let them know, because that wasn't really nice that they stopped my stream. Is it because I talked about the cops in America, maybe? Hope you're all, bro. Hey, Tugnut, I'll just wait for everyone to drop in on TikTok. My TikTok legit live got stopped for inactivity, apparently. How does that work? It don't make no goddamn sense. The cops heard you. Hey, I was saying nice stuff about them there. They were cool. We learned it don't make no goddamn sense. Hi TikTok, sorry, my live just stopped completely before. I don't know if it's like a common thing on TikTok. My live got stopped for inactivity. So I do apologize and fail to understand how that's a thing, but you live and you learn, right? You live and you learn. Sorry about that, TikTok. Yeah, that was random. So to those that were in the TikTok stream just a few moments ago, my TikTok stream got stopped due to inactivity. How does that work? Do I have to like touch the screen? I hope you can keep bringing. I'll do the best I can, brother. Yeah, how does that work, TikTok professionals? Is it because I wasn't carving enough? Sage if it is. Your accent is awesome. Thanks, guys. Yeah, to those that were just in the TikTok stream earlier, I do apologize. I have no idea why my live got canned. Or it said, like, ending live for inactivity. Pretty much. Yo, thank you very much, there, Elliot. So we're on to us YouTubers bashing. Yeah, I want to look more into YouTube stuff too. Like, do I have to upload emotes or anything like that? What do I need to do? Is there anything like that that I need to like look into? No idea how to set up donos on YouTube as well. So I'm very, very new to the platform in terms of like streaming on it, I would say. Kia ora, TikTok. Sorry about that. Yeah, sorry about the abrupt ending before. That was not good. But I hope he's all good with that random ending right there. Sorry, the sun's just not doing me any favors by making the thing dark right now. Might have to move these over to the side a bit more. The vamps. There we go. How do I sub? I have no idea how to do that on TikTok. Just come and chill and chat. It's all good. It was more so just trying to reach out about your car's extended warranty. Also, last week, to those that weren't here, last week we got a scam call. And it was from some dickhead 0800 number pretending to be One News. One News here, and we legit Googled the One News number, so we just started, or I started just roasting them and yelling scam. Thank you for the roses, Riley. Yeah, I just started yelling scam and being my cheeky self. Oh. Gotta put my Crocs into 4-wheel drive, I think. TikTok, do you want me to do these carving lives like every day or just once in a bit? I know I haven't done them much, but I thought I'd better ask first. Don't want to be too annoying, you know? Trying to scare me out of them pit vipers. All the time? Okay. I might look at something. I might look at doing is maybe adding the PC or the Windows app to my outside setup, so we're not maneuvering around like two tripods pretty much, and so my live's not getting like shut down for inactivity, which I not gonna lie, that was a bit cringe. Is that like a TikTok policy now? Was I not talking enough? Hey, what's up, brother Hardhead? How are you, my bro? Apologies for no GTA content too, my bro, but I have been rolling with myself. Thank you, Nathaniel. Seems like, yeah, it's like sunny but cold today, pretty much. Typical New Zealand weather. Lost your profile. Oh, well, welcome back. Kia ora, kia ora. Half a day, my bro. All the way in Guam. Yeah, I'm supposed to go look for an outfit today. Can you explain a bit about what you're working on? So what I'm currently working on is a hoi for a birthday. So this is kind of like your typical birthday present / carving, or one of the many forms that you can do. Do I know how old the person's going to be? Nope. I just have to follow what my uncle left behind. Yeah, so I'm just following a blueprint in terms of like the shape, but the mold of the face is the one I'm doing. What in the sky? Want to see what you're doing? Yeah, I was showing earlier. It's just our live got ended randomly. Hope you're doing good. Yeah, I'm doing good. Let me just maneuver the camera around. If TikTok ends the live again, I might just leave it at that. Leave it at there. Let me just sort out the screen. How's your fellas view there? YouTube, all good? And Twitch, is that all good? What kind of headphones do you use? Outside, these Logitech ones. Inside, I use my Logitech ones too. I've got Corsair headphones, but those are my, you know that scene on Surf's Up? These are my ladies. Yeah, similar to Tank. Corsair is the brand I glaze all the time. These are my ladies. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, like, I've always liked Corsair for like a long time. Let me just get that block of wood out of TikTok and Twitch and YouTube. There you go. I've always liked the brand for a long time. That was crazy. We peaked at like 2,000 viewers in their last TikTok stream. I don't know where everyone come from, to be honest. Can you get rated on that app? Because it was like out of nowhere. What are you using? What do you use for the eyes? So we use abalone seashell, my brother. Yeah, so I'll show my uncle's one more time. So that's his one there. So you can see this the paua or the abalone. So this is the one he did before he passed away. And I have to do this one. So I kept the same shape as his paddle, a bit too big for my liking. But you know, it's the one he did, so I gotta follow. What's your favourite yogurt? That sounds like a loaded question. That sounds like a really loaded question. No, it's not. Are you sure? Hi there, Spelunker in NZ Auckland. Oh, KZ Auckland, sorry. How we doing, TikTok? Mr. Spot Buddy? It was just a little random thought I had. Okay. Well, just making sure it's no goddamn dick joke, alright? Normally when a goddamn person talks about yogurt, they're talking about that other stuff. Something that rhymes with see you maybe. I'll definitely not accept yogurt from a random person. What wood are you carving? I think it's Cody, brother. It smells like it. Gonna sit here and play Ooh, where are you in the Oblivion? Please tell me you're one of those players that sits in a tight corner and spams jump to get your jump up. Because I did that. I did that. I don't know what design I'm gonna do here, eh? I still haven't decided that. Now, who decided that? Thank you very much to one. My name is Titty Boy for the Optimus Prime. Thank you very much. They're much appreciated to the TikTok Aroha today. And the mad love over on Twitch as well. My sub goal has been literally back blown out. Thank you very much to all those that have subbed today too. The Lone Brian with the 50 bomb and Holy Grail with the 5, and to all those that have subbed in between as well. It's much appreciated, eh? It is very, very much appreciated. And I'll continue to share as much as I can. Teddy Boy knows what's up. I'm more of a bunda man myself, but okay. I go everywhere pressing Y, and I've just closed the Oblivion gate. Oh, okay, sure. All the way from Taitokero, tēnā koe. How was mā tātua ki te nota? Sure, craze. Well, I love this guy so much. Been watching since OG Twitch days. Hey, appreciate that, brother. Sorry, I won't be accepting any invitations to go live together. Rosie Niriwa, aroha mai. Probably not. I don't know, I don't want to accept lives from strangers, and then next thing you know, boom, there's a knackered someone on there. Have a blessed day. You have a blessed day too, my brother. Thought I was gonna have the Humpty Dumpty. Came from TikTok. Hey, hello, Del. Cheers to those that are jumping over from TikTok to Twitch as well. Tilda. How long have you been working on this piece? When did I start this? Last week. One day. Next thing you know, yeah, I don't mind. Okay. I think weird questions are funny. I work in the iron foundry. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the carving school I went to, they have a bronze foundry that does the exact same thing as you. Getting like bronze casted carvings done. It's another, just another hardcore discipline, eh? Did we get the yogurt answer? I'll be honest. I feel like yogurts in this day and age, the quality has dropped immensely. Well, that goes with everything, eh? Quality just ain't there anymore. Did you finish the piece for your uncle, by the way? This is it. We had to put this to the side yesterday and Friday to finish a carving for the charity. I'll go and get it, eh? Hold up. So, as you all know, I have been doing. Thank you very much, Carson. Sorry, brother. So recently, is our. Wait, did our thing cut out? So from last month up to now, we've been doing charity streams. We've been raising money for charity and to raise funds for cancer research, and this is something that we finished recently. So people that have been supporting my team is everyone that's donated, and Pit Viper as well. No one signed up, unfortunately, but yeah, we carved a pair of Pit Vipers. They will be sold in an auction. So I'll put these on a base and send it to Aussie. And the funds will go to the Cancer Foundation too. There you go again. So we carve these, and yeah, these are whatever's raised from this carving will be given to the charity. Pretty much. So we've raised over $1,200 for cancer research, thanks to everyone here that's contributed. And it goes till the end of the month. But what made those pair of glasses a bit more special is when, not yesterday, the day before, when we were doing them, it was actually for one of the bros, and his dad passed away the day we finished them. So it's really sad knowing that, but the pain my back was going through, it was all worth it. It was all worth it at the end of the day. Been paru weather up here, but still got out to the morning. Ui, rekara wā sina kai tō wāhi o tēnei whenua ne. Are they big up there? I know the coot. Is it the what are they called? What again? Is it coot? Nah. There's ones you find on the beach. What care? I'm more of a bush pig than anything else. Sorry to hear. Yeah. So was the bro. He was actually one of the main reasons why I wanted to do this too. His dad, yeah. Unfortunately, lost his life to cancer. But yeah, the day we finished these glasses was the day, his final day on this earth. Thank you very much, Carson and Blee and all. Yo, Broxy's still streaming. Let's get. Yeah, Zariah. My own tools really want to get into it at some stage. Yeah, you just go when you're ready. Koe te mea nui. It's only ever ready when you're ready, if that makes sense. Well, that's how I've always seen it anyway. Ki oku nei whakaaro. What was your hardest one you made? It was when I was a student. It took me around about 4 months. It's on my YouTube. On my Instagram, sorry. TikTok, I hate to be that guy. Well, my phone's getting flat. And I just want to say thank you to all those that dropped into the first TikTok stream and this one as well. If you want to carry on watching, just jump over to either my Twitch or my YouTube. Yeah, my battery's getting flat. But yeah, apologies for our first stream just cutting out due to like inactivity, which I thought was weird. But if you want to join in, twitch.tv/Brox_, just like those porno bots on Twitter, link in bio. Yeah, feel free to jump over, or even onto YouTube too. So yeah, in the words of all the porno bots on X or Twitter, whatever you want to call it, link in bio, not nudes. But yeah, feel free to jump over at any time. Much appreciated for being here, TikTok. It was hard reading like 3 different chats. But yeah, jump over if you like. If you don't want to, go and enjoy your day too, remember. And I'll see you all on the next one, eh? Much appreciated for the aroha. Thank you very much, and I'll probably carry on the other platforms. Someone build a phone that doesn't get flat. Oh, I'll say that much. It's fluffing my beard. Okay, see you later. Much love, TikTok. Ka kite. Oh, my fat finger can't even push end. There we go. Bye bye. Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, Hardhead, for gifting a sub, and Thorthay for the brand new Optimus Prime. Kia ora. Thank you very much, guys. Alright, let's carry on, eh? And then there were 2. Brooks, what do you need to start this kind of woodwork? So this isn't some normal kind of woodworking. This is like part of my culture. But all I would say is, you know, it just takes a chisels, timber, and the individual that's willing to start and give it a go. Just like anything in life, really. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you, Saucy. Hope you are too. I think that's just how, you know, you gotta approach it sometimes, brother. So what I'm just doing after like dropping it down slightly, just smoothing it out, okay? Yo, what's up, Maz? Your favorite wood to work with? Free timber, my bro. Doesn't get any better than that. Doesn't get any sweeter, my bro. Chef's kiss. And I'm not even lying. Does this kind of woodwork have a name? Yeah, Whakairo. Whakairo, Maori woodcarving. Yeah, that's my answer. Always my answer for when people say what's your favorite timber to work with. Well, let me tell you, there, boy. I'm the kind of man that does enjoy himself some free timber. Okay, let me just go get some water real quick, chat. I think tonight on the alt channel, chat, on the gaming channel, we'll either play GTA RP or Red Dead. I recently logged back onto the Red Dead Redemption server that I play on, and yeah, it's really good to see everyone on there again, man. I think I'm going to go with the lawmen again. I think I'm gonna go with them again. And plus, on the flip side, like outside of the county, you know, I know them. They're a good bunch of peeps. My character's name was Tommy Tim Tam. Hey Brooks, I hope you're well. Chilly day in NZ. Will you only use chisels to smooth out? Yeah, just chisels, my brother. No sanding whatsoever. I did orbital this just to give it that quick and hard and fast shape, but majority of the time it'll be, yeah, just chisels, my bro. Dundee out of prison yet? I saw a lot of people in the city were donating to him. Yo, YouTube, do you think I'll get like copyright strike for playing Mountain Banjo from Red Dead Redemption? It's the instrumental. Yeah, we worked so hard to build a little house together. No matter what the weather, we're together. What's your favorite part about doing this woodworking stuff? So with this particular woodworking in general, it's part of my culture. Hence the reason why I have a lot of love and admiration for it. Because I love my culture, I always have. And knowing what my ancestors went through in order for basically me and every other, person in this day and age to have our language, our art forms that we have, is very, very inspiring. Very, very inspiring. Now, there was a point in our history that's not really mentioned in schools or on TV at all, called the Tohunga Suppression Act. Now, that Act of Parliament basically outlawed anything we did in our culture, pretty much. Whether we spoke our own language, whether we did Whakairo, what I'm doing right now, they try to make it illegal. And then there was a point in time, with the Great World Wars, where there was that big generation gap. They didn't get to teach the next generation. Hence the reason, that's like another inspirational, or why. I'd say it's more of a why. Yodeling Walmart kid, what's up, brother? Thank you for the 8 months as an Optimus Prime. Oh, thank you. Thank you, brother. Yeah, that's another reason for me. Like to keep pushing, hoping that the younger generation gets inspired, not only for this, like for Whakairo in general, but any aspect within our culture. It doesn't necessarily have to just be this. Could be anything. New to the stream and just wanted to let you know you're an awesome and much appreciated. I appreciate that, my brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Shit, I might bite the bullet and take my laptop in to get checked, eh? Like for the last how many streams I've been adjusting the power cord, taking it out of the plug, putting it back in on the side here. So it'll start taking power, and it's only been for like a couple minutes now. I think I need to get it looked at. So I've been trying to keep an eye on the battery at the same time while streaming. think it needs to be done, guys. It's more of an electrical thing. Are the prongs loose? So I'll show you like the port. So this is the port I use, like the latest one. Oh, I don't know if it's the latest, but like it'll only take on power for like a couple moments, and then it won't. It'll just stop taking power. So what I've been doing for the last how many streams is pretty much been pretty much just taking the cord out, unplugging the plug from the extension, waiting a few moments, and then putting it back in, and it'll charge for a few minutes. I should really get it checked by a professional, man. But I've just been holding out because I'm saving up too. Is it pink? Hey, yo is right. What are you talking about, bruh? And I don't want to be that guy and bring my, inside setup. I could use the streaming bag, the IRL bag, to stream carving in the meantime. But that has like 0 notifications on it, and I want people to be acknowledged if they sub to the stream. That's my worry about that. Let a man be curious about charging problems? Huh? You crazy, bruh. You crazy. Yeah, it'll be abalone shells, my bro. Abalone shell, my brother. I mean, I could use greenstone, but yeah, I don't have greenstone lying around. Not at all, my friend. Not at all. I think what I'll do too is draw this up off stream, because I haven't even figured out a flow that I'm gonna do yet. Yeah. How long ago was the other one made? Jeez, I don't have a bloody clue, eh? I should ask. Might be an issue with the charger itself, might build up your phone. Oh, yeah. Or may have a faulty cord here. I'll have one more look. And then, yeah, if I can't really figure it out, then yeah, I better go and get it checked by a professional. There's this guy that lives in town called Mr. Inspect Your Gadget. He's a good dude. Yeah, I'm not really sure on a flow that we could do, eh? I'm still guessing. See, it's stopped charging again. So is there one dude in the village? There's always that one guy. Something in the way I feel. What's up, Jimmy? Interesting. Yeah, I need to do the drawing offline because then I start thinking way too much. Yo, Doubling, thank you for the 3 months, brother. Yeah, it's a pedal, my bro. It is. But obviously it's not going to be used like one. It's more of a decorative one. Right. For me, the way I feel. Right, let's turn him around. I'm going to hit it from the other side. How's YouTube? All good? Oi. Going against the grain. I'm not able to catch many streams. All good, Ninja. All good, brother. Yeah, I know a lot of people are quite busy, which is totally fine, you know. We all have our own lives to live. I don't really, you know, go live with the expectation that everyone needs to be here. There's those who can, you know. Bruh, now why is it so dark? Sort our camera out here. How often do you stream? Monday to Friday on the main channel, this one. Then I do cheeky gaming streams on my gaming channel. I ain't gonna lie, chat. Splitting up the audience with that other channel was a good decision. Not gonna lie. Just cause gaming, like, don't get me wrong, I love gaming. If I could game on my main channel, I would, but my numbers were dropping because of it. Gaming on my channel, because it made sense, you know, like, people followed me to see this in the flesh, and I fully understand that. And it has definitely been more beneficial, I'd say. I think once this charity stream is done too, like this charity stuff is done, then I'll bring my jackal emotes outside. Or my jackal alert. I'll keep my my girls gaming mascot that they come up for me on here, but it's random. But my alt channel is eligible for affiliate. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I just want to get my emotes on there, really. GG, it all worked out. Yeah, I'm glad it did too. Cause there was I was starting to feel bad, as well. But yeah, it definitely feels good mentally now too. What's your gaming channel's name? Not Brooks. Thank you, Patty Keeks, for the 15 months. Just here for the vibe and the music. Yeah, appreciate that, brother. Yeah, not Brooks is the name of it, my bro. Where was I? 1, 2. 2. One, 2, 3, 4. Just doing the teeth check. 3. Found you okay? What's your favorite race to play? Orc, pretty much. Orc, Tauren, Trolls, and Pandaren. I mainly like the Horde more, but I do play Alliance as well. That's where the the gaming shenanigans go on. Shenanigans. Wait. Did you finish the... Yeah, the other one's finished. The Macho Man glasses. Yeah, they're done. We just gotta put them on a base and send them to Aussie, pretty much. Other piecings there. I think my favorite thing about Tauren is Thunder Bluff. They remind me so much of my people as well. Like even the Orcs, they're the same too. Down to throw down, down for war. I was gonna try and get World of Warcraft, but some people say it's not as good as it was. Is it still worth playing? I would say just try the free trial, brother. There's you'd need a sub for the latest game mode. So there's this latest one called Mr. Pandaria Remix. It's one of the expansions, however, they've got like rune systems and all that, and it gives you like any ability from other classes and whatnot. It makes you like super stupid strong. It's good fun. I think in order to really know, you just try it on a free trial mod, bro, up to level 20. You can free trial it up to level 20 if you like, my bro. If it if it helps out with your decision. Yeah, brother, just give it a go. It's just lucky that you can try it till level 20 in order for you to like have an idea, somewhat of an idea of it. Also, chat, how would you feel about Cinnamon Toast being one of our sub alerts? Cinnamon Toast Ken. Got any new tips for woodcarvers? Just give it a go. Go at your own pace, you know. There's no need to rush for anyone. Learn processes as you go along the way. When I say that, your own, because you know you come up with your own processes too. In my opinion, Whakairo was a journey, eh? Yeah, so Cinnamon Toast Ken has is gonna be one of my sub alerts, and it's gonna say oil this man. Someone oil this man. Are you a big fishing guy? I love fishing. My in-laws got me into fishing. Yeah, I love watching Ken's videos too. I met him. I met him in Australia at PAX. Oh man, he's such a good vibe, eh? Huge dad energy. Dude has like the biggest dad energy in the world. I first met Ken in GTA RP. Everyone was like, is that Cinnamon Toast Ken? I went, no, his name's Buck. I also like fishing. Too bad many people don't have the patience for it anymore. That is true as well. That is definitely true. Although in saying that too, I've caught more magic carp than IRL fish. Not afraid to admit that. And yes, I know, magic carp's not even real. On my magic carp to IRL fish count, it's not looking too good. Oi. Huh? Jay Teeps. What was your new gaming Twitch? Not Brooks. I will make a command today. I'll make a gaming command today that'll direct people that would rather see gaming content today, or shortly really. Yeah, so we're just trying to drop this down a little level, chat. I think I'm on a rasp. I'm gonna rasp the handle. You gaming tonight? Most likely, most likely. I need to finish my Fortnite Battle Pass. But I don't really care too much about the Hades skin. I do like the Artemis one more. My wife's been practicing a bit too, because the next subathon I do, she's gonna play Fortnite live. She's not a gamer, by the way, so yeah. But she said she has to be a high sub goal. It has, yeah, so that's my gaming mascot there. If you see that, and I'm not Broxy. Yeah. Well, I didn't know you play GTRP. Are you and Ken? Yeah. So I've been on NoPixel for about 2 years. And that's where I met Cinnamon Toast Ken. We were kind of hanging around. He was in the gang that I was hanging around, and that's how I kind of genuinely made the connection when I flew over to Aussie. Yeah. But yeah, that's the only RP server I play on. Don't play on any other ones. But I love it. They're an amazing community too. It's crazy how meeting Summit through RP was crazy. You consider playing Elder Scrolls. I love Elder Scrolls. I won't lie. I don't like the online one. I prefer the offline ones, but they haven't made any more lately. There's supposed to be like a new Elder Scrolls, right? I've been playing Fallout a bit. I love Fallout too. So you can imagine me trying to, stop playing Fortnite, and then they tease their Fallout teaser. Then being the Michael Jordan meme or the whatever, or the LeBron James meme, I got one more in me. Yeah, I prefer the single player ones to the online. I don't know, it just never really captivated me, the online. It never really, got me. It never really got my attention. I guess it's because I'm a WoW player. Yeah, that's the only reason why I'm gonna play Fortnite for another season. Is for Fallout, their Fallout teaser. Get my uranium fever going on, Yo, Valza, thank you for the Optimus Prime. It's crazy that we've almost hit 80 subs in one day. That's nuts, man. Hi, Brox, love your carving. I don't usually get to see you live as I live across the world. Oh, all good, my potato-loving friend. Just happen to be up late studying. Hey, make sure you study more than watch me. So one thing about me, right? When it comes to like study, school, college, whatever you want to call it in between, apprenticeship, I want your soul, like when it comes to people walking those paths, I want your sole focus to be in that instead of watching my stream. I know a lot of people use it for like background ambience, but something that I personally love when it comes to being a streamer connected to a lot of people is seeing them succeed outside of the stream. Like when you come back, oh, I passed this test, oh, I'm going to university, oh, I'm in the Air Force now, I got a promotion. Those are the things that matter to me most, is hearing people from my stream succeed like that. It is genuinely one of the best feelings ever. It's like with all these school kids when they're watching, oh, watching from school, I'm in class. I banned them till 3 o'clock. I legit banned them till 3 o'clock. Because I want them to know how, I want them to be serious about, what they're up to. Not watch me in class, not focusing. When they're doing that, that annoys me. a little bit heaps, I will say. Like even my nephews, they're like, "Joe, Uncle, watching your stream from class." I banned them till 3 and tell their teacher. Send them an email while they're in class. Like, shame him out, call him out, little shit. That's pretty much what I do, chat. Doing the Lord's work. Switching to Twitch right quick. Do your thing, brother. Let me just have a quick draw up and we'll see what I can come up with. Kind of just speed running this. Da, 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 da. So this design is called Puhoro. Puhoro represents speed as well. I'm just cooking a little bit now. It's not gonna be set in stone, just cooking. Hey, kia ora Nishan and Steady. How are the boys? Pair here, bros. Pair here. Not sure if I'm gonna do it just yet, but we'll see what happens. We shall see. What's that game? Is it a FPS game? I hope you come back to tell you I succeeded, Rocks. I'm doing my big test, trying to get into college course to be a woodworking teacher. Nice, Joe. Nice, my brother. Let's push, my bro. Very nice, brother. Thank you very much for the raid, TNT. Alright. Well, that's clean. I think all we need to do now is just little nitty gritties. I think I need to sharpen up my chisels now too. I can feel it and see it. Just little wood tags. So I think that'll be a focus for me off stream. That'll take a whole day. That's something I need to do. That'll take me a whole day to do. On top of that, it's looking good. It's almost done. All I really need to do is clean this up, design this, do the handle, and the end of it too. What's the end of a handle called? Pommel? Is that it? No idea. But yeah, that's all that's left. Pretty much. How good weather was last weekend? I don't know, I didn't watch it. But I mean, I only watch Twitch streams, I mean it. My bad. Oh yeah. Yeah, I hardly indulge in TV. Beat the Panthers. Oh yeah. I feel like the Panthers haven't been that good since a lot of their players left there. Their game players. Or have they left yet? That's how out of touch I am with every other team other than the Cowboys. Yo, Paddy Keggs, thanks for the 5-bomb. Holy cow, 80 subs in one day. What the fuck? Next month is gonna suck. Thank you very much for that, Paddy Keggs. That brings you up to 10. Oh, 5, sorry. Thank you very much to Mr. Mahal as well with the Optimus Prime. We've reached the chill out time of the stream. Yo, what's up, Hammer? Bro, I thought I saw you last night on Big Bogo. So I've got I don't plan on making a crim, but I've got a fuck around character. His name's Bogo. And basically he's a crocodile wrestler who talks a whole lot of shit, bro. I think I fucked up last night too. Because I was talking to one of these ladies. My name is Bogo. Cholesterol ain't got shit on me. I will slap the shit out of a fat covered steak one bite. I've served in 3 wars but never served. I can't wait to come across you, Hughes. Fucking, I'm gonna go hard on the shit talking. Mate, you should have seen it. There was 3 sons of bitches. One of these goddamn gators was a white one. I slapped the shit out the white one and killed his daddy. You should have seen me. I ducked under the the first gator, uppercutted the albino one, then the recoil from my titty whiplash the third one so hard he slapped him, knocked the cold out. And he's gonna be real aggressive. And the only, to people that, press him, and the only way to calm him down is if you bribe him with food. Because everybody gonna say, bro, I'm loving it. I'm gonna take my time coming back to the law department. Spoiler alert. But when I heard Rangers, I was like, I want to be a ranger. Yo, Poonex, thanks for the 17 months, my bro. Thank you very, very much, my bro. Yeah, it's I've got to get back into doing old Tommy's voice again. But yeah, bro, it's been fun. It's been fun. Not that getting shot when we were at Emerald Ranch. That was like, bro, I'm just here for the food. So I was like standing there. I was like, I'm getting shot. I'm just here to rob some apples and whatever the other stuff is. I made a character from Outer Scrolls and called him Lotus Pretentious. Bro, where the hair is ass, bro. Oh, you're doing Pinkerton stuff. Damn. Okay. Fuck, I hope Bogo comes across you if you're a Pinkerton. Yeah, when I heard that there's the Rangers in the server, I was like, ooh. Okay. I thought I was talking to a lawman last night too on Bogo, but obviously, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, it's I kind of missed hearing his voice too. Thank you for the hype train as well, guys. Yeah, I bought a similar thing over from my GTA cop character. Like when Bogo will be like, you know, I'm willing to do anything that every other lawman can. I am willing to absolutely mag on these goddamn animals selling moonshine. So he thinks that like animals do crime as well. But yeah, essentially Bogo is just cruising around the swamps. Sometimes he'll go to cities just to get supplies. He's just like a big guy with a crocodile mask on. So the story is that he a little baby crocodile bit his shin, so he killed his dad. And he wears his dad's face as a reward. Damn criminal gator bastards. Yeah. Yeah, I might probably like take the ranger out, see what it's like. But hopefully I bump into you again soon to initiate all that. Will either be tonight or what's tomorrow? Friday? No, it might be tonight. It's either gonna be Red Dead RP or GTA tonight. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. It was cool watching you and Hughes do fishing. I was like, I'm actually enjoying this. I still can't crack it though. Fishing in that game is hard, bro. Oh, I miss my big ass sword that you gave me too. When we were going around St. Denis. Just a little heads up too. It's with the, is it spats? The things that cover your legs. the iron ones, because Bogo's got gold ones on. Bro, it makes your boots look like Essex shoes, like high-vis green and all that. I should tell like the devs or something. Spurs, yeah, but I'm too much of a tight ass that I don't want to spend money on getting new shoes. It's like, no, fuck that, I'm rocking around with the high-vis alien green boots. I'm not wasting goddamn money on some shoes. Hey, what's goody, Coffee? I'm new here. What's up, Rocks? What's up, Angel? So just to show you what we finished. Or what we did. So we've been doing that. So it's all cleaned up. I'm gonna sharpen up my chisel before we design it, pretty much. This is a hoy or a pedal, pretty much, that do. Yeah, so this is for a birthday. So it's not gonna be used for like, you know, pedaling in the water. Mate, that's all we've been up to. So all we have to do now is slightly clean it up a little. I'll be rounding the handle later. Yeah. I'm just leaving it square so it sits well in the voice. Man, I love P Money. He's in the country soon too. Man, you're hell. That made me smile. Yeah, I'll either jump on Tommy tonight or Bogo. I've just been enjoying like shit talking like other players about wrestling crocodiles. That's all my character's gonna be based around, wrestling crocodiles. And he's gonna have if I get the chance to get a gun on my character, I'll shoot one. And he'll roll around with a crocodile on his back pretending that's his comfort crocodile. RPs, yeah bro, yeah. I don't want to get into like the serious crim stuff on Red Dead. Like I much prefer being a sheriff, eh? Because all the RP comes to you. Yeah, emotional support crocodile. Like on GTA, my character had an emotional support log. He's just walking around the city with a big ass tree. But that was on my serious character too. And everyone will go past, hey, nice wood master, be careful, I might slap you across the face with it. That's why I love RP, bro. I didn't see myself getting into RP, but yeah, bro, I enjoy it. Yeah. I used to walk around. So my wood carrying fit, I used to call myself the Green Ghillie Ranger. And it was basically walking around in a ghillie suit with Astro Boy shoes on, but they were black ones, like just those big stupid looking shoes. And I had a Uwu cat helmet on. There's this helmet that every girl streamer in the server wears. It's the normal bike helmet, but with Uwu cat ears. But I used to wear the green one. Yeah, so if you're part of the Discord, I'll put some photos in there. later. And let me share the Discord and I'll chuck it in there for you to see. I'm gutted though because I lost the fan art someone done of it, and it looked cool as. Yeah, so join the Discord there. You know, gangs all whips and whips. Curtis Demon, the make a pool rank Francis on the flank, somebody's getting spanked. Speak on the clue when Flippy's involved. Mario as well, let's go. Randy and Rummy got the cups on the road. See CG in the spun like a bowl. President P, I'm Barack Obama. Nah, I love P Money's music, man. Bitch. Hey. Hey, thank you very much to the bro for the $50 donor as well. Me and my wife. When you hear that sound, you better get down. That's Bobby Crack Brown. I love everything you do. Thank you, brother. Yeah, we've had a pretty solid stream today. We ended up triple streaming today on Twitch and YouTube. YouTube's with us today as well currently, and we did TikTok earlier as well. It was fun. It was a good stream. It's we're kind of in the wind down period now. It's just, I'll be honest, it's just to rest my back because it's sore. There's no hieroglyphic conspiracy theories just because I'm old and I'm getting a sore back. Thanks, fan. Got 8 MGs and we got Bentley's extended family. You know, Street Team wanna buy a new whip thing, come and buy these. Who's got imports in a VLC? Have you ever tried the Souls game? Yeah, I've finished Elder Scroll, Elden Ring. And yeah, that's about it. I haven't played Sekiro or Dark Souls 1. I really enjoyed Elden Ring. Really enjoyed it. Favorite boss? Who's my favorite boss? In terms of design, I like Radahn quite a lot. Not his horse though, poor bastard. Oh, I swear, man, Radahn's horse got the shit into the stick in that game. And, what's her name? What's that rotten lady's name? Melania, she's cool too. I like her design. What else? I got the Frenzied Flame ending and then Elden Lord on the next run through. I really enjoyed that one. What else? Yeah, no, that's the only Souls game I've ever played, pretty much. If you see the El Jefes. But I saw it's only Wednesday. End up in the barrio and losing with his checkmate. Yeah, Sekiro looks cool. I guess it's because I love it, you know. Japanese inspired games or style of game, pretty much. But I've watched a lot of my friends play it. We got us at our warehouse, you got Azteca's block, you got people moving in, left and right, trying to stop, Strawberry gas station, Nash GG on top. Addicted to take your soul, that's Charing Gang, baby, home turf's little soul. Around. Hey, much love there, Luke. Just seen You got seaside ho and the BBMC and the Billabong, you know the situations get big. I will stay away from the headlights. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, chat. Yeah, so I try and do at least 3 hours minimum on my streams. That's and then I'll finish up. I've got I know who I can send you to today. He's streaming live. Me and this guy, our timelines never meet up. Yeah, he's a woodworker as well. Enjoy your content. Thank you, brother. Jason, J Marbury. Yeah, but I hope everyone enjoyed the stream today. We got a lot of the little stuff done today. A lot of the little stuff. What else? We got a lot of the little stuff done. Now we move on. Tomorrow it's a bit iffy. I might either be live tomorrow, IRL, or I've got to get my kids ready for the weekend. Because it's their grandmother's 50th. But I'll keep you posted. I just want to make sure that it's, you know, smooth. I was just to the point of anxiety. I can't hear my phone. Wait, man, it was good. It was, not gonna lie, it was kind of hard keeping up with 3 different streams, eh? I'll be out for. Oh, bro, this jacket I'm wearing is my grandfather's. I got it in 1995. Showing a lot of wear and tear now, though, but yeah, got caught in the jaw and the pocket, ripped, gutted as though. Well, that's how long I've had this jacket for. It's been through the ringer, this jacket, from hunting to just normal day-to-day life. I remember when I just finished hunting and had a lot of deer blood on it, and I walked into a shop. Me and my cousin walks into the shop, and the shopkeeper goes, "Geez, who did you kill?" And this fella's missus in the back of the truck. The deer head was popping over the truck. What are you making? So we did some more work on the hoy, which is this here. This is a hoy or a paddle. So we did a lot of cleaning on that. This eye here needs to be flattened a little bit more, but we still got that to do. I don't really plan on doing anything too technical up here though. This is a commission that belonged to my uncle, but it was given to me because unfortunately he passed away. So this is the one he finished. This is the hoy he done. Then this one here. So he fully designed that one. So there's core Fi-Fi designs. You can see. So he did that as well. Pretty much. Well, yeah, I tried to keep the initial shape of my uncle's one pretty much. But this one, the one that I'm doing as well, they're for a birthday coming up. And there's a larger slab of timber just behind you that's going to be used for another carving for this particular birthday. So it's 3 birthdays in one. pretty much. Very heavy though, this one. There's a lot of timber in it too. But I'll not carve or fix anything on this one. Main reason being is because the carving has eyes now. In our culture, when the eyes are on the carving, you don't necessarily do anything to it after that, because they can see and feel pretty much when the eyes are. Similar to what I've heard about the dragon tattoo, the Azure Dragon. I just heard caught it all, or heard talks like even with the eyes and that too. Once they're in, they can feel. Are you from New Zealand? Yes, I'm from Aotearoa. It's a good taco. Interesting. Is it complete my uncle's one? Yeah, it's complete. I just have to finish my one now. Yeah, it's got to finish my one and it's done. It's not rocket time, chat. Oh. How hot is it outside? Oh, not hot at all. New Brunswick. Where's that? Europe? Canada. Oh shit, I was way off. La la. Oh, I was way off in Canada. True. To those that are still left here, where's everyone from? Hello, Arif. How are you, brother? Oh, I'm so gutted I never did any recordings for the last piece we finished, or photos at that. But luckily it got to the bro's house in Aussie. You're wearing a jacket, but I bet if I was there I'd be sweating in a t-shirt. Oh, I don't know. From Maori and Whakairo. Oh, you're living in Brizzy here. But that's basically home 2.0. Farms outside Seattle, Washington. Oh. I've been watching, I started watching Yellowstone Season 2. Bro, those ranches go hardy. What are they? The Duttons. Hey, Godley, and this is what we finished day before yesterday. We would have carried on carving yesterday, but there was a big storm and floods and everything, and I think it was better if I stayed inside. So I ended up staying inside, whānau. Yeah. So I was doing so the starting of last month to now, I've been doing charity streams, or like just raising money for charity, I should say that instead. And Pit Viper got on board along with everyone that's donated as well to the charity. Thank you very much to MB for the 30 months. When is the new album dropping? Never. Never. Yo, MB, thank you very much, brother. This ain't crafting your job. Yeah. Oh, well, Whakairo Maori woodcarving has been a full-time affair since I was 16, but I started when I was 12. And yeah, but financially, yeah, since 16. Yeah. Very hard, very hard. But at the same time, you know, sometimes you gotta do the stuff you love, even if you don't get anything out of it. That's kind of the mindset I kept with Whakairo. And streaming full time while doing Whakairo is my full time job now. Thanks to everyone who supports me. Where's my hydrate? I got you, chat. I got you. Hello, rapaziada. Also, chat, I'll be adding TTS rewards to our chat redeems too. Alright, chat. I'm going to call it there for the day. Thank you very much to all those that tuned in today. Thank you very much for all the giftings today. It honestly really does come in clutch. Thank you very much for the aroha, guys. I'm going to send you to another wood carver now by the name of Texas Hula, who's a wood turner. So if you get a hard on from watching wood turning, this is the place for you. But yeah, that's going to be me for today. I'll be live on my gaming channel probably tonight at Not Brox. Okay? Have a beautiful one. You can show some love to my boy Texas Hula YouTube. Thank you very much for joining in as well. If you want to go over and show some love to Texas Hula, have a good one. And I'll see you all this evening. If not, maybe tomorrow. Okay? Bye, YouTube.